Skylar enters the shop, her eyes wide with wonder. The shopkeeper, an elderly woman with twinkling eyes, shows Barbie a beautiful locket that glows softly. Shopkeeper said, "Ah, this locket is special. It's said to hold the key to realms beyond our imagination."
Skylar touches the locket and it emits a soft light, illuminating her face. She smiles, feeling a sense of adventure calling her. As Skylar leaves the shop, a sudden gust of wind sweeps through the marketplace, swirling leaves around her. The locket starts to vibrate in her hand.
Skylar said, "What's happening?"
The wind picks up, forming a gentle whirlwind around her. She closes her eyes, and the screen fades to white. When the light fades, Skylar finds herself floating in the Sky Kingdom, surrounded by fluffy clouds and vibrant colors. Floating islands filled with whimsical creatures come into view.
Astra, a fairy, said, "Welcome, Skylar. You've arrived at the Sky Kingdom. But trouble is brewing."
Skylar looks around, filled with awe and curiosity, ready for her adventure to begin.
Skylar said, "We'll get it back. Where do we start?"
Skylar and her friends stand before a swirling maze of clouds. The wind howls ominously. Lila, nature lover friend, said, nervously, "How do we get through that?" Maya, tech-savvy friend, said, "I can create a gadget to help us navigate." Skylar nods, encouraging her friend. Skylar said,
"Let's work together. We can do this."
Skylar and her friends face Zephyr, the mischievous storm spirit, who holds the crystal of air. Skylar, Zephyr, we know you have the crystal of air. We need it to save the Sky Kingdom. Zephyr smirks, a playful glint in his eyes as he looks down at them. Zephyr, "Oh, but why should I give it back? This crystal gives me power. They never noticed me before." Skylar's friends exchange worried glances, but Skylar stands tall, her determination unwavering. Skylar, we understand how you feel. But taking it won't bring you the respect you want. Teamwork and friendship are what truly matter. Zephyr narrows his eyes, contemplating her words. The wind howls around them, adding tension to the moment. Zephyr, maybe, but how can I be part of that? The atmosphere shifts, and Skylar sees a chance to connect. Skylar said, "Join us. Together, we can restore balance to the Sky Kingdom and show everyone how valuable you are." Zephyr hesitates, looking at the crystal and then at the hopeful faces of Skylar and her friends. Zephyr, I took it to prove I'm strong enough. No one ever sees me. Skylar, we can help you, Zephyr. Strength comes from friendship, not just power. With Skylar's encouragement, Zephyr joins the team. They devise a plan to return the crystal. Skylar, together, we can create a magnificent storm. They combine their powers, creating a beautiful, swirling storm that safely returns the crystal. The Sky Kingdom is aglow with light as the crystal shines bright again. The spirits cheer, and Zephyr is welcomed into their community.
Astra, thank you, Skylar and friends. You've saved our home.
Skylar, we couldn't have done it without teamwork.
Subscribe to my channel.